Making this recording for Daniel Bretsky. I'm here at the 5025 South Fletcher Place, right around the corner from that other job we did. We were out here jetted yesterday, got the line open. I'm going to put the camera down. We're going to take a look at the sewer here. So, new plastic cleanout installed in the first couple feet. We zero out this footage. As we're going down the pipe, quite a few breaks through this first section. So I already cameraed this once, and I just made some notes as I was going down. So there's a break on the left side, concrete's falling apart. Pipe starting to separate there along the bottom side of the pipe. The joints are coming apart. This concrete's extremely old aggregate. We got a separation there. Got some standing water through this section. There's a major section of break down the line here that we'll get to. I just want to point out each of the little issues the pipe's having as we go. So, missing section of pipe there along the bottom. Could be just the joint completely separated again. There's actually a chunk of pipe up on kind of the top side of the screen there. I'll flip this around a little bit. So, chunk of pipe there. On the right, so missing piece of concrete. Start dropping down, and we're going there is a section of separated pipe as well. I think we're going to lose picture here in a second because there is a major break there. Sewage isn't even draining in the pipe anymore. That is just dirt underneath the pipe. So I'm not sure exactly. I don't see where the neighbor tied in there. I know that the neighbor does tie in, but it is not through here, and that is a major issue there. That needs to be dug up and fixed. So we're about 30 feet from this clean out right now. Ooh, I was able to jump over it with the camera. There is the section of cable that broke off, and a large root, and coming in, and potentially another broken section there. Ooh, jumped past it. This may be where our neighbor is tying in. Turn. Now we're in clay and heading down towards the main. And there is your mainline sewer there. So I'm going to write up a couple ways we can take care of this line, but it definitely needs some major attention. There is the main. I'm going to end the video there and get it over to you there, Daniel.